And now, let's go through this automatic door again to get out of the building. And now, moving on, here we have the tower of a 50 floors tower. And we have the next lifts to the underground car park and the second floor, which are very awesome Schindler HTs. They are now not OT 67. Let's ride them and see if the indicator is fixed. And it is. And right there are some more Schindler HT lifts. Let's have an explore around the car park first. Well, this is a ramp to go up to the car park level 9. I am currently in the car park level 10, which is a very, very, very underground car park. There is a very awesome car park level that I have ever saw all my life. But I never suspected to be a very underground level on my own country. I just only have levels until -5, which is also to mention it as according less in the France Avenue, which I do Aqua Plus according less. Just to mention these tools. Anyways, now we go to the next lifts, which are more Schindler HT. These are the lifts in the front of the set of the 4 lifts. Here at the second floor, the first floor of the tower. Let's get back to the lift and see if the lift is indicating too. Yes. And now, into the rest of it all. This is a car park level. And this is not a car park level, it is just the very awesome access to the entrance. And here we have another automatic door. Let's go through the automatic door. Moving on. Here we have some more doors, and there are more sub-slips behind. Let's ride them. Let's go up to the roof. Yes. It's very fast. This is the 51st floor. It's the very taller roof. The very taller roof of the tower. Let's enable the gravity so I won't fall down. It's a very... Oh no! What's happening? Oh no! I got down to the 15th floor and I'm now in a gnarly area. No! Oh, I'm at least safe since I'm not in a null area. There is a service door. Yes, thanks for saving me. At least I'm at the 15th floor and I have the atrium there. But I'm going back to the 51st floor and see the lips, these lips indicating 51. At least I'm not making trouble on these two. How much less is it gonna take? Let's do this again, but I won't press the end button. Hope this does not happen again. Let's press back to have gravity. And you have the car button. Very big, yeah? It's time to get back to the floor 1. Now I am back in the 1st floor. This is a very awesome 1st floor. Here we have a very awesome atrium. Here we have some awesome atriums over in this floor. And here we have the main lifts of the hotel. First, we will write the list from 42 to 50. Let's write them. Oh, and these are very awesome glass lifts. Here we have the 15th floor, which is almost the top floor. It's the main top floor, but there is the roof, which the service lift go there. The service lifts go to that roof. Let's get back to the lift. add to the list from floor 17 to 31. And next, the leaves from 1 to 16.